Okay, so I've made a little jig here on a bandsaw. The idea is to cut the bottom of this capacitor off. It's a sealed canister. And this is what we're going to use to install a new electrolytic inside of. Okay, and there it is. Should be full of a liquid, which it's not. That's what they look like on the inside. Alright, I've gone ahead and I've pulled the center tap out of this capacitor base. The way this works originally is the center tap is positive and the case is negative. In this radio, the circuit, we don't want the case to be on chassis ground, so because it goes through this resistor. So they would normally put a cardboard sleeve around that before they clamped it back into the chassis. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a little bit more thought, but I think what I'm going to do is have my positive leg going back down through the center with some heat shrink tubing, drill a small hole, bring the negative out with some heat shrink tubing, and insulate it against or from the case. That way, when I put it back together, I won't use the cardboard sleeve. I'll simply just clamp it back into the radio. It'll look proper from the top side, and it will eliminate that short issue that we had with the original setup of the radio.